Looking for the best referrals that pay? The best referral programs to make money? Well, this video will show you awesome referrals that will pay you hundreds for inviting people to their product or service. Not only that, but I recommend using most of these apps daily to save money and make some extra money, as you will see in a bit. Getting paid for referring people is honestly one of the best ways to make some extra money, because first of all, it's free, and secondly, it's super easy to do. Today, I'm going to show you how to earn $300 per day online with referrals. Before we start the video, make sure to leave a like, and if you want to see more content, subscribe to the channel. Let's get started. Number 1. Rakuten. An awesome and well-known cashback site that you can use to refer and earn is Rakuten, which was formerly known as Ebates. Rakuten is a cashback site that has paid millions to its customers. And they will give you $25 for each person you invite to their platform. To get the $25, the person you invite will have to make $25 in total purchases using Rakuten within 90 days. If the referral completes this, then you will get $25 and they will get $10. So make sure the referrals meet the terms so you can get your referral money. Number 2. Ibotta. We all need to buy groceries, so why not use Ibotta to get cash back for doing so? You should be using Ibotta, and everyone you know should be using it as well to save money on food. And the thing is, you can invite people to Ibotta and get up to $20 for referring people to the app. Ibotta changes the referral amount at times, so make sure to keep checking to see what they are offering for referrals. But don't be worried, you will always get money for referring people to Ibotta as long as they redeem a brand-named item after signing up. Get paid to refer people to Ibotta. It's one of the best apps with referral bonus that give you money for referrals. Number 3. Dosh. There are a lot of cashback sites out there, but what makes Dosh unique and so awesome is that Dosh gives you cashback automatically. Other cashback sites make you activate offers before you can get money, but with Dosh, all you need to do is shop at businesses that partner with Dosh to get your cash back. Dosh is one of the best apps that pay you for referrals. Along with this feature, Dosh will pay you $1 to link a card to Dosh, and then $5 for every person you refer to Dosh. When you sign up to Dosh, you will be given a Dosh referral code that you can use to refer and get paid. Number 4. Drop. Another amazing cashback app I recommend using to refer and earn is Drop. Drop is a cashback site that lets you pick 2 stores where you will get cashback automatically when you shop with a linked card. It is similar to Dosh, and I like to use these 2 referral apps to earn money together to maximize my cashback earnings. Drop works on a point-based system where you will get points for your cashback and referrals. On Drop, you can refer a maximum of 10 people and you will get 5,000 points, $5 for each referral. This means that you can get $50 for simply referring people to Drop. It's one of the best apps with a referral bonus that pays you to refer friends. Sign up to Drop and then you will get your referral code to use and invite people to Drop to earn money by referral link. You'll get paid $5 per referral, plus the person you refer will get $5 too. Number 5. BeFrugal. If you are looking for another cashback site that pays you to refer people, check out BeFrugal. BeFrugal is similar to Rakuten, where you have to activate rewards to get cash back, but you can get a good amount of money in cash back from BeFrugal. And the great thing about BeFrugal is they will give you $10 for each person you invite to BeFrugal, and the person you refer will get $10 as well. BeFrugal also lets you refer as many people as you want to their platform. This is one of the best referral programs that pay cash, and it can be one of your referrals that pay hundreds. Number 6. Extra Bucks. Yet another awesome cashback platform that you can use to get money back when shopping is Extra Bucks. Extra Bucks is pretty similar to the other cashback platforms we went over already, but what makes them special is their referral program. Here's why. Extra Bucks will pay you $5 for every person you refer to their platform, and they will match 5% of the referral's earnings for the first year and give it to you. This just means more referral money for you. It's one of the top referral programs that you can use. Plus, the referral will also get the $5 bonus for signing up to Extra Bucks through your referral link. Number 7. Fluzz Cashback Referral. An awesome cashback platform that I use frequently to refer and earn is Fluzz. You probably have never heard of this cashback platform before, but they're a legit company that will pay you for simply using their platform to shop. And of course, they have a referral program that you would love. Once you sign up to Fluzz, you will get a unique referral link that you can use to invite people to Fluzz. Fluzz will give you a 35% cashback voucher for inviting friends, and they will be part of your network, which means you will earn something every time they earn cash back. The person you invite will have to make a purchase using Fluzz before you get your voucher and start earning from them. Yes, it does suck that these conditions have to be met to get paid from Fluzz, but hey, signing up is free and you can potentially earn money by referral link from this free platform. Number 8. Top Cashback. I know there have been a lot of cashback platforms here, but we're at the last one. Before we get into Top Cashback, I just want to say that these cashback platforms are a great way to make some extra money. They are free to sign up for and use, and they all have online referral programs to make more money. Now, let's get into Top Cashback. Top Cashback is yet another cashback platform, as you can tell by its name, that will help you get money back when you buy things using their platform. The great thing about Top Cashback is its referral program, which will pay you $10 for referring people to Top Cashback. The person you referred will also get $10 for joining Top Cashback through your link. To receive your referral bonus, the person you invited will have to sign up through your link and earn at least $10 in cash back on the Top Cashback platform. The good thing is that there is no expiration date for this bonus, so as long as the person you invite gets $10 in cash back at any point, you will earn $10 per referral. This makes Top Cashback one of the best referrals that pay cash. Number 9. Acorns. An awesome investing strategy that I recommend for beginners looking to grow their money is Acorns. You have probably heard of Acorns before because it is a pretty popular investment app that makes investing super easy. Acorns will let you invest your spare change in the stock market so it can grow over time to make you more money. Plus, you can also use your Acorns referral code to invite people, and you will get paid $5 per referral. The person you refer will also get $5 for signing up with your link. To get your $5 referral bonus, the person you invited will have to get their account approved and make their first investment. Acorn is an awesome app that I recommend you use to invest, and also use your Acorns referral code to invite people and get paid for referrals. It's one of the best referral programs to make referral money online. Number 10. Robinhood. One of my favorite investing apps that lets me invest for free and refer and earn is Robinhood. Robinhood is an awesome investing app that will let you buy and sell stocks for completely free. I highly recommend everyone looking to invest their money sign up to Robinhood and start investing for free. Also, when you invite people to Robinhood using your referral link, you and the person you invite will get a free stock. This is an awesome deal because you can keep referring people with a limit of $500 per year. You can get free stocks like Apple, Microsoft, Facebook, etc. This is a super easy way to get $500 easily. Robinhood is one of the best referrals that pay in stocks. Sign up to Robinhood here and see what free stock you get, then invite people for more free stocks. Robinhood is one of the best referral bonus apps to get free stocks. Thanks for watching, guys. To learn more ways to make money online, click the next video on your screen now.